Hi guys, it's Marky. What's going on, everybody? How's it going, guys? I hope you guys are doing well and finding all the cool Hot Wheels you've been looking for. I'm opening up a bunch of Hot Wheels premium cars for you guys today. Check this out. Got a nice Porsche 911 GT3 RS. This one is a beauty. This one's from the Hot Wheels car culture Deutschland Design. Deutschland Design. This is the 2012 Mercedes-Benz from the same series. Let's get him out of the package. It's amazing looking. And we'll check him out in a few seconds. And I picked up the 99 Ford F-150 SPT Lightning. I found both complete sets, guys, but I only bought a few of these. The ones that I'm showing you today. I have not completed the sets yet. I'm not sure if I'm going to want to. It depends. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Here's the nice F-150 SPT Lightning. And I brought some out of all these to compare them. Let's check out this Porsche a little closer. It's got a little garbage here and there. Here's the top view on the Porsche. And the side view. Let's check out that nice front view right there. Oops. Holding it, it's making me shake there. There we go. Nice. Look at that front end. Nice lights. Nice badge in the front. Really cool. Grille showing through. We have the black spoiler on the bottom. And this one is, of course, metal on metal. Rubber tires. Nice, slick rubber tires. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Copyright 2010. And it does have the side view mirrors. It has the wing in the back. The GT3 RS name right there on the back. Two pipes coming out right down the middle. And we do have some nice lights there. Porsche name on the bottom of the door there. Really cool. Blacked out wheels. It looks beautiful. I love the card on this one as well. The card looks so cool. Here's the design on the card. If you haven't seen it. Hot Wheels Premium, Car Culture, Deutschland Design. These, by the way, are available at Walmart and at Target. At both Walmart and Target, you can find them. And the set is these 5 cars, which I've shown before as I found them in stores. And I probably shown them on some of the peg hunting videos. But anyways, if you haven't seen them, this is the set. The Audi, the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. There's the one we're looking at now. There's the Mercedes I bought. And the Mercedes C-Class from '94. Haven't bought that one. And I haven't bought the Audi or the other Mercedes truck. But beautiful little Porsche. Here it is. I have it in yellow. Which I collected this series a while back. Hot Wheels series that came out. I think it was called the Hot Wheels 500 or something, or 500 horsepower series, or HP series, I don't know. Something like that, guys. 500 HP series. And it came with the lenses on there. And it looks a little different. And it's marked a little differently as well. Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Copyright 2016 on this one. This one's a 2010. So obviously these are different years, I guess. They look a little different. The wing is totally different in the back. The pipes look totally different. But pretty cool to have these RS GT3s, RS Porsche 911s in the collection. So awesome. I also have a green one from the Forza set, GT3 RS. This one looks different also on the bottom here. Made in Thailand. This one's made in Thailand. And this one here, made in Thailand as well. But they all have different bases. They look different. And you can see a few differences here and there. And then the green one and the yellow kind of look similar. look, this one has the more detailed lights there. These are just painted in yellow. Wow, look at all the details on the back on this one. This one's so plain. The yellow one looks so plain, right? Pretty cool little details here and there on these. Then I have the black one, which is really cool as well. This one is marked Porsche 911 GT3 RS, copyright 2016. Kind of looks like this one right here. Yeah, I think it's the same casting right there as the yellow one. There we go. These seem to be a match. Pretty nice. Let's see the blue one next to the black one here. Pretty cool, right? Any Porsche fans out there? Here's another one. A few differences here and there. This one is from the 5-pack, the Exotics 5-pack with the white wheels. They look so different, right? Because the paint and the graphics are so different. The wheels, it really changes the look. Pretty nice. This one's made in Indonesia. It's 5-pack, so the 5-packs are usually made in Indonesia. It's a little different casting, but very similar. Pretty close. Might be the same, I don't know. Could they use the same molds in Indonesia as they use in Thailand? Very close. And then I have another blue one from the Fast and Furious 5-pack, which is this one right here. Porsche 911 GT3 Cup. 1998 copyright in 2019. A little similar. This one has a plastic tail in the back. Pipes are separated, not in the middle. And a little different base. Definitely similar, but not quite. Not quite the same. Just a cousin. A distant cousin there. There we go. They're definitely not twins. This one has no mirrors. Very cool little comparison there with all these Porsches. And then I also got the really cool Mercedes. This is the 2012 Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG Coupe Black Series. Look at that. What a beauty, right? Man. So nice. 2 doors on this one. We do have that wing in the back. Windshield wipers are there. We do have the side view mirrors. Chrome wheels on this one. Looks like the 10 spokes. And we have a nice badge in the front. Wow, look at that front end. Beautiful. Mercedes-Benz. Translates so well as a Hot Wheels. Look at that. This one's really heavy too. This one's also from the car culture Deutschland Design series, and it's Hot Wheels Premium, of course. So they come with the metal base, metal body, rubber tires. This one has slicks on it, no treads. Slick rubbers. Copyright 2021 on this one. The exhaust is just tampoed in. Look at that. No real pipes there, just some tampo work. AMG right on the license plate. We do have the little badge there. AMG name, the C63 over here. Nice lights, really tampoed in there, really cool. Nice trim around the windows. Beautiful lights in the front, nice grille, great badge. This one has a really nice look. Look at the lines on this Mercedes, really slick looking. Beautiful. Nice color for this one too. This glossy red looks amazing with a dark interior. And the chrome on the wheels just looks really, really cool. Let's set these two side by side and see how they look. Oh yeah. There they are a little closer. And let's back that off a little bit. There we go. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Really, really nice. Let's compare them. Porsche on the left, Mercedes on the right. Really cool, really cool. Awesome. They both have that wing in the back. Nice cars. Nice diecast. I also picked up the Lightning. Check it out. The Lightning SBT Lightning, which is a Ford. And the official name on the card. This one is from Fast and Furious, of course. And let's check it out. 99 Ford F-150 SBT Lightning. Hot Wheels Premium set. Fast and Furious 1 of 5. And you can get the Charger. They have the 68 Charger, the 70 Nova, the 87 Buick, and the 77 Firebird right there. And they had all these, but I only got the Lightning so far. Not sure if I'm gonna complete this set for some reason. I'm just like, maybe not. Maybe I'm just gonna buy this one. The Racer's Edge. Let's see what it says on the door there. It's got the whole address there, telephone number, Los Angeles, California. Lightning name right here. We do have the side view mirrors and the wipers on the glass. Oh man, check out the front end. What a beautiful grille. Nice lights. And those slick rubber tires. Really heavy truck with the metal base, completely metal on the base, complete metal on the top. Only a plastic bed, plastic interior, and plastic wheels, but rubber tires. Beautiful. Man, that looks so nice. Isn't that amazing? What a beauty. Now this Lightning, I recently bought this one, this casting, in the 5-pack. Got the race team Lightning right there. Little comparison there. The premium and the regular. Nice blue race team colors. Hot Wheels race team. Oh wow, front end on the Hot Wheels race team, totally just blue. Very plain, but on the side they gave us a lot of colors. Also on the hood, Hot Wheels logo real big on the back. And then the back end is kind of plain. And you can see the difference right there. And the bed. This one has a full plastic bed. And this one has a little bit of die cast holding that in place right there. You do have the windshield wipers. Kind of the same interior. Very, very cool. I do have the Lightning in a few different colors. I have the gold one. There's the gold one. This is also from the blue mainline. Blue cards, just the regular blue cards that cost $1. Comes with a plastic base, just like this one here with a plastic base. SBT Lightning made in Indonesia, and then this one's made in Malaysia. Indonesia, because it's a 5-pack, from the 5-pack, race team 5-pack. And then the gold one's just a regular mainline, and this one's a regular mainline in red. Made in Malaysia as well, for the regular mainline. And it's pretty similar, look at this. Pretty similar to the premium, they look very similar. So the one on the bottom costs $1, this one costs $5. So difference for the metal and the rubber tires and metal base, $4 more. And this one is metal on top, base plastic on the bottom. So not a lot of weight to this one. This one's super heavy, super heavy. Here's the front end. Gotta say, $1 one is not too bad, right? Not too bad. Can't complain about $1 there. Very cool, different bed. This one has that edge around the top. This one sits way inside there. Good comparison here of the cheaper model and the more expensive. Very, very cool. Let's line them up. Let's line up all these lightnings. We got the gold, 2 reds, the gold, and the bright blue. Let's put the blue there, give them a little contrast. How are they looking? How are they looking? So which one's your favorite? Do you like the lightnings, and do you have a favorite one? Or do you like the Porsche better? Or the Mercedes-Benz? Got a bunch of choices here. Plus you have all the ones in the back here that we were checking out. So many cool Hot Wheels, I gotta tell you. It's hard to keep up. It's hard to keep up with all these beautiful cars. So many coming out all the time. I've been waiting for H-Case. Have not seen H-Case in my town yet. I don't know if it's been here and it went, got here and went, but we keep seeing repeats of F-Case and G-Case and E-Case for some reason. A lot of repeats, and now Dollar Tree just got N-Case and P-Case from last year. Just saw those today. Incredible, from last year. So that's how it goes. Waiting patiently for H-Case and J-Case hopefully soon. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what's going on in your collecting world. How's it going? What are you collecting? Hot Wheels, Matchbox, Johnny Lightning, or any other brand? Let me know what you like to collect. And how many cars in your collection? Do you have any of these Porsches or these SBT F-150s, SBT Lightnings? Let me know. Let me know. Be cool to find out what you guys are up to and how's it going in your collecting world. All right, guys. It was really nice hanging out with you. I hope you guys had fun. I'll see you in the next video.